If you want to add a widget to the home screen on iPhone 17, what you need to do is you need to touch and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen page. There we go. And now in the upper left corner we have Edit, so we can tap over here, and then you can choose Add Widget. Now in here we can find some widgets that we can use. If you scroll down, you should be able to find the list of apps that have widgets, so then you can search by apps over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like, I don't know, like Facebook for example, and over here we have some example widgets. And if you want to add a widget, you should be able to press and hold it, and then you can drop it pretty much anywhere. You can, of course, in some cases we can resize the widget by grabbing by this corner over here. So if it's possible to resize it, then you should be able to do that. However, some widgets cannot be resized. And once you are done with the widget, once you add it, you should be able to press down in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.